What would you say be a safe minimum pressure in your tires?
For here or on the road?
For here. No,
for here. Minimum, safe.
0.3
Before it comes off the road.
Oh, safe.
Oh, safe.
0.8.
0.6. 0.8.
0.8 for most.
Okay, 0.8.
I'd say 0.6.
It's about 0.8 on average. If you've got a normal set of on-road tires, remember that sidewall is very thin and flimsy and floppy. The moment we start to deflate, it forms a bulge and it does this a lot more. Because it's an on-road tire, it's not a very harsh, durable tire for this type of deflation and off-road conditions. Okay, so then the lower I go, the less air, but also the less pressure in the sidewall to keep the tire on the rim. So for them, definitely 0.8 is about the lowest. Okay, but the moment it becomes more of a rugged type of off-road tire, the tire that's specifically made stronger, stiffer sidewalls, then you can go a little bit lower, 0.6. What's the worst thing that can happen if your pressure is too low?
Debead.
It can debead. On the front tires especially. Because the only thing that keeps the tire on is the air. Now you drive and you turn, that sideways force on the sidewall can very easily push that tire off the rim. The moment you get to a 60 profile, that's the profile height of the tire, and less, your deflation capabilities becomes less. Because that tire firstly is an on-road tire. It is actually a soft tire. Again, sidewall issues. And also, the more you deflate, let's say you've got this much rubber, you deflate, you've got this much distance between the surface and the rim itself. Although it looks soft, there might be sticks and even stones somewhere underneath here. So then you can potentially damage your rim also. Okay, so your deflation capability becomes less. Like a 50 profile, the Ford Everest, just an example. Ford Everest with a 20-inch wheels, it's got a 50 profile. If you deflate to 1.2, you are already very, very risky of causing damage or popping the tire off the rim. And it happens a lot. Okay, so it differs from vehicle to vehicle. The important thing, I guess, the message I want to bring across is tire pressures are crucial, but you must know your vehicle. Each and every vehicle is different. You can have exactly the same cars, but the weight is different. Okay, that will influence also deflation. All right.